It is 3 o'clock right now, which means it's 4, 5, 6 o'clock at home. We haven't ate since the bagel this morning, so we're starving. We're gonna get another pizza from the same place that Chris went and picked the pizza up last night because it was so delicious and I ate the whole fucking thing.
Yep.
So
if you like it, then we'll get it again.
Yeah, we're getting it again. But Chris said we had to come to the restaurant because it's super cute and he thought that I would like it. And since I wasn't feeling good yesterday, I didn't get to see it. So we're gonna check it out today.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Pink fluffy unicorns dancing on rainbows.
That's it right there across the street. It is cute. I don't know if you guys can see. It's all like blue and like, it's super cute. I like it. Good job. It's happy hour again from 3 to 6. It's currently 3 o'clock now, so I think I'm gonna do the margarita pizza again. I might add a meatball. Perfect. Thank you so much. It smells so good. Alright, here it is. This is our margarita pizza with meatballs. Chris got an Arnold Palmer, and they actually make it like, here's the tea, here's the lemonade. They make it fresh, and this is fresh squeezed lemonade. So
you're supposed to mix it, or is it just you?
I don't know. I think you're supposed to mix it, but I don't really know.
Maybe I'll mix it.
It's cut into it. Ooh, this has a lot more cheese than it did yesterday.
Yeah, it was a real saucy like that. Pretty delicious.
Look at the left one. We're down to 2 slices left. I'm starting to get full. Excuse me. But I feel like I could probably eat 1 more slice. You're gonna take the small one, I'm gonna take the big one?
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna take the big one and that one, so.
Clear our plates.
Two thumbs up.
This plate's clear. I'm gonna try to finish this little slice. Okay. This is the last little bite, and then my plate's empty. She's already cleared the table. So here goes. Cheers. Oh God. That's it. We're done. We finished it. It's delicious. If you're ever in the La Jolla area and you want like an amazing pizza, come to this place. I think it's called Wheat and Water. They've got like an oven back here that they like grill it in, like wood burns, whatever, at like 700 and something degrees or something. They make everything fresh. They make all their own like fresh like meatballs and cheese and like sauce, everything. They make everything. So it's like phenomenal. It's so flavorful and it's like got the perfect like crispiness. Like it was really good. I'm busting at the seams. I might like split my pants now. Like I really feel like I'm gonna have a food baby, but it was totally worth it. Here's the address in case anybody wants to check it out. This is the address. I took this out of your wallet because there wasn't enough to leave her for a tip.
Okay.
Okay, we're leaving the wheat and what is it? Wheat and water place? We're leaving the wheat and water place. It was super delicious. This is what it looks like in case you come here.
Watch out for this road, man.
I can cross right now. So the fires are spreading. The fires that we were talking about this morning. Oh, thank you so much. That was sweet of her. They're spreading. The lady that just waited on us, our waitress, they were watching the TV in there, and she said that where the fires are right now, that they're showing on the TV, that's her parents' neighborhood. So she's kind of like freaking out a bit. But like Chris was saying, like, things just follow us. There's all these fires, there were all these earthquakes, the hurricane, like everything just follows us. Like coming to a city near you. Be prepared. Make sure you have lots of food and water if we come to your city because something will fucking go wrong. It's inevitable. I know, you can, like, they don't ever have clouds in California, but right now there's so many like clouds and stuff in the sky, but it's all like smoke. Look, I know, I was just thinking, like, my papa says they don't have clouds, but like today there's lots of clouds because it's all just like smoke.
Yeah, you can see that's the smoke going out.
Yeah.
It's probably causing that somehow.
Yep. So we saw, like, I was telling her in La Jolla.
Help me here because I can't see over this headrest.
I was telling her in La Jolla we saw the smoke going out over the water. These things are hard to get out of. They're like blind spotted.
Yeah, that's how it was last night. I had to like get out of the car.
I think you're okay.
Now?
Yeah. Yeah, you're good. I'm so full. I can barely breathe.